It's a brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab LT white over gray interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, push button start, remote start, USB for your phone, heated seats, electronic climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar, satellite radio. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, bed liner. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. It's powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. Brand new. Available now. AutoNation Chevrolet.